guys, quick review or unboxing of a vintage kit. I pick these up all the time. I love a vintage kit. I don't necessarily like making them. I tell a lie, I do. It's a bit of a challenge, isn't it? And I bought this bad boy for £2.95 on eBay. It is a Spitfire Mk.Ix fighter bomber. It's made by Frog, a 1/72 scale. It's a bit of a battered box, but it is a vintage model. Now, if I'm right, I think Frog were part of a company called Rovex or Romex back in the day. But they were renowned to be a pretty good model to build. This kit comes with the action display stand, so that means you can put it in any position. You can have it taken off, you can have it in flight, you can have it diving, so it's like wall mountable, so you can have it on the wall, or you can have it banking. So, and you know, it is quite a nice idea actually. Let's just get into the box here. It's the first time I've opened it actually since I got it today. I say the artwork is pretty swell actually, very nice fighting. A couple of Japanese planes there in the distance, so yeah, a pretty bit battered, but you know, it's all good. So inside the box, so if I just open up, so there's the decals, which still has the protective paper on, so I'm not going to remove that, but the decals look pretty good. SORN MH763. I'd like to know what that is. There's the teeth. And there's some more decals there. So you can either have one or the other. I think it must be two. Have either the Mk.8 or the Mk.9, depending. Let's just have a quick look. Anyway, so there's the decals there. There's the stand, so you can easily put it on the wall. There's a little screw hole there. This is a nice idea actually. I'm quite impressed by that. I suppose there's the board and that fits on there, and you switch that on there and you can just put it wherever you want. Great idea. So the parts look to be all there. Yeah, there's obviously there's the wing, some nice detail, raised detail actually, so yeah, that's quite nice. It's quite raised detail, you can see that in the camera. Yeah, so looking good there on that sprue. I'm hoping it's all here. There's one half of the body or the fuselage, and there's the prop, which is a four-arm fan. There's some wheels there, which must be for the front. There's the rear wheel. It looks very similar to, yeah, so okay, there's the instructions. We'll have a look at that. There's the other part, the body, and your wings with the, just notice the guns are actually coming out the top. That's quite a nice effect. Very, very small pilot, just there. Not a bad bit of detail there, I suppose. There's a seat. All nicely marked. You can clearly see the numbers there. Nice bit of detail. As I say, it's not indent, you know, the raised on this one. A little bit of a mark there from pushing out, I think, which we'll need to have a look at. Some, you know, under the whips, just put there, some nice bit of detail there. And then finally we've got this piece here, which is almost, yeah, so we've got the 4 sprues, and then we have cockpit and cockpits. There's two cockpits in this one, so fortunate for me. So just have a look at the instructions. You can do it for the Mk.8 or the Mk.9 Supermarine Spitfire. Basic instructions, nice, small, compact. Rovex, I do apologise, the company is called Rovex. They manufactured this, but yeah, some very nice bits here. No glue on the wheels, so looks like you just pop the wheels on, which is a nice idea. yeah, it's pretty good. Just trying to find where which decals you'd want to use, but not a lot there. Some nice little model tips there. There's the action stand, tells you how to put it all together. There you are. So it's a nice piece there. Just seeing what it says about colours. Not much. No, doesn't say colours. A and B. No mention of colours on this one. I'll just check the side of the box. Oh, there you go. There's the painting guide. So there you are. So if you were doing the Mk.Ix, you would use Sawn. And if you're doing the Mk.8, you will use the teeth, basically. It's really nice, actually. Yeah, Rovex, made in by Rovex. That is it. So you will need paint and you will need cement to put this together, obviously. And yeah, really nice. But just seeing some of the other models they do. Very, very nice. Very nice. So doesn't give a year either when they made this. I'd like to know what the year is. If anybody knows, please put it in the comments below. So yeah, so that's another build I'm doing. I'd always do builds in 3 because that's the way I roll. So I put them back in there on top. I just want to make sure that they haven't discoloured. I don't think they have. No, they haven't. That's pretty good. I think I'll do that one actually. I think I'll actually do the Mk.Ix version because I like that better. Was it the Mk.8? Mk.8, Mk.Ix, Mk.8. I think that is. No, it's the Mk.Ix. I can't remember which one's which. I have to look it up again. But yeah, really happy with that. Some nice effects there. Nice decals, nice box, nice presentation. Quite small. And just want to make sure there's no model number. The model number, if you do try and find it, is the Frog F.237. And that comes with the Skybase 2. So there you have it. There's a quick unbox and review of one of the models I'll be building this week. And if you like the video, please like, put a comment below, subscribe, and if you can, please share. Cheers.